The BMW 2025 lineup is redefining luxury, performance, and innovation, pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering like never before. BMW has always been at the forefront of technology, and the upcoming 2025 models continue this legacy with cutting-edge features, electrified performance, and futuristic designs that will leave car enthusiasts in awe. Starting with the all-new BMW 7 Series, this luxury sedan elevates sophistication to an entirely new level. With an enhanced hybrid powertrain and an all-electric variant, BMW ensures that luxury meets sustainability. The interior boasts a curved OLED display, an intelligent iDrive system, and top-tier materials to create an immersive driving experience. Rear passengers will enjoy the all-new theater screen, a 31-inch 8K display that turns the back seat into a personal cinema. For those who crave performance, the 2025 BMW M5 is a beast on the road. Powered by a twin-turbo V8 with a hybrid boost, it churns out over 700 horsepower, making it one of the fastest sedans ever produced. BMW has also enhanced handling with an advanced X-Drive system and adaptive suspension, ensuring every drive feels like a track experience. BMW's electric revolution continues with the next-gen BMW X3 and i4 models. These EVs come equipped with BM's latest eDrive technology, offering extended range, rapid charging, and exhilarating performance. The X3 delivers a seamless blend of practicality and sustainability, while the i4 M50 packs a serious punch, rivaling traditional M models in sheer power and agility. The future of BMW SUVs is also looking brighter than ever. The 2025 BMW X5 and X7 receive bold design updates, featuring BMW's new illuminated kidney grille and laser headlights for a striking road presence. Under the hood, a mix of efficient inline-six engines and plug-in hybrid options ensure both power and fuel economy are maximized. For tech lovers, BMW has introduced next-generation autonomous driving features with enhanced AI-driven safety systems. The BMW personal assistant is smarter than ever, learning driver preferences and adjusting climate, seating, and entertainment settings accordingly. BMW's commitment to innovation, luxury, and sustainability makes the 2025 lineup one of the most exciting in the automotive world. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge EV technology, high-performance driving, or ultimate luxury, BMW has a model that caters to every enthusiast's dream. Stay tuned for more updates on the Auto Insider, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world.